Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to easily adjust your Toyota Corolla steering wheel for optimal comfort and control. First, locate the adjustment lever, which is typically found directly beneath the steering column. This small lever is key to unlocking the steering wheel's movement. Once you find it, simply pull the lever downwards firmly to release the locking mechanism. This action allows the steering wheel to move freely, enabling you to find your perfect driving position. Now that the steering wheel is unlocked, you can easily tilt it up or down to adjust its height. A good rule of thumb is to position the top of the steering wheel so it's roughly at your shoulder height. This helps ensure a clear view of your instrument panel, allowing you to see all your gauges and warning lights without obstruction. Finding the right height is crucial for both comfort and safety during your drives. Next, let's talk about telescoping the steering wheel. This feature allows you to pull the steering wheel closer to you or push it further away. Adjust the distance so your arms have a slight bend in the elbows when your hands are on the wheel at the 9 and 3 o'clock positions. This ensures you can comfortably reach the steering wheel without overextending or being too cramped, providing better control and reducing fatigue on longer journeys. Once you've found your ideal steering wheel height and distance, it's time to lock it securely in place. Simply push the adjustment lever back upwards until it clicks firmly into its original position. After locking, gently try to move the steering wheel to ensure it is completely secure and won't shift during driving. Always test your new steering wheel position briefly before starting your journey to confirm it feels comfortable and safe.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.